Hey, this is John Howell here, and if you're thinking of investing, trading, or you're just looking of ways to generate some extra monthly cash flow, then don't do a thing until you attend the Ultimate Cash Flow 3-hour live workshop. And here's why. According to Harry Dent, the economic specialist, who has predicted accurately the booms and busts in the last 20 years, including the 2008 stock market crash, he said in his latest book that the stock market and the property market will crash again and the economy will slow down. And we've already seen signs of this. Thousands of people are getting laid off from their jobs. This is ranging from the property groups out there to the banking sector. It is said that 1,000 jobs were cut, and there is talk also around that 10,000 jobs are going to be cut in the next 18 months. Over to the airlines, we can see Qantas that they're cutting jobs, as much as 500 jobs now cut from Qantas. What about the motor industry? Even in some of our largest companies in Australia, like BHP, are looking to cut jobs as well. So as you can see, the economy is starting to slow down and things are changing. So what about the property market?
Well, there's been some erratic behaviour in Australia's real estate market, and it's becoming harder to predict what a property is worth.
Nationally, the average house price is $523,000, but virtually everywhere is dropping like a stone. In Queensland, prices have dropped 3.7% in the past year. New South Wales is down 4.6%. Victoria has seen the largest fall, 6.6%. Tasmania, a slightly softer landing, down 1.7%. South Australia down 3.8%. WA down 1.7%.
So we can see things are slowing down and really starting to go down on the property market. What about the stock market?
Already Australia has seen $19 billion wiped from the share market.
In a recent report, it is said that more than $120 billion was wiped from the market since May. And with this happening, your retirement account is getting killed. And if you have your money in managed funds, then it is posted that 94% of all managed funds lost money in the last 12 months. And on top of that, we simply cannot rely on the government to help us get out of this mess.
There will be no carbon tax under the government I lead.
Certainly what we rejected is this hysterical allegation that somehow that we are moving towards a carbon tax from the Liberal and their advertising. We certainly reject that.
So here's the hard facts. You can't trust or rely on the government to take good care of your financial future. The property market and the stock market has been going down, losing billions of your retirement money. Economy is slowing down by jobs getting cut by the thousand. And Harry Dent, who predicted this over 12 months ago, said that this would happen. He said that this is likely to get a lot worse. Okay, so you have two options here. One, you can hide under a rock and just ignore what's happening and likely to get destroyed financially, or you can step up. You can get educated on some of the most powerful cash flow generating strategies on the planet. And that's where we can help via this one-time live event. But let me be clear here. This is the first time we have put on this. And we don't have plans to do this again, okay? This is a one-time event. And we are running this workshop in Sydney and in Brisbane. So this is what you're going to learn at this one-time live event. An amazing trading system that allows you to make good monthly cash flow upfront day one and has automatic built-in protection. That's right, automatic built-in protection. How to get a good protection on every trade you do without actually having to pay for it. That means you can have protection in place without even having to actually pay for that protection. How to make a nice monthly income from the markets, even if you do pick the wrong direction. The exact steps to the system that a total newbie trader used to make $1,963 in only 3 days just recently. This happened actually, as of this recording, it happened last week. Okay, I'm going to show you the exact steps and systems that he made $1,963 in just 3 days. You're going to see exactly how that works. How to find the most highest probability trades in the market within 60 seconds. You're going to see it all. The amazing system that pulls in cash without having you to pick the right direction. So if you're a trader right now and trying to pick the right direction in this volatile market, you're probably struggling. You're trying to pick the right direction, okay? But you're gonna learn an amazing system that pulls in cash. Okay, upfront day one without having you to pick the right direction. That simply means the market can go up, sideways, or even down a lot, and you can still make a nice return on your money, and so much more. Okay, this is going to be an amazing 3-hour workshop at this event in Sydney and in Brisbane. You need to be this. This is going to be like unlike anything else you have seen before. See, what you're about to learn is the most powerful cash flow generating strategies on the planet. We are going to let you be the judge of what we have just said just there. Okay, we're going to let you be the judge. And that's why we're allowing you to come and check us out for free. That's why we're giving you a free ticket to this workshop. Normally we're going to be charging at least a couple of $1,000s to come to a workshop. Okay, but I'm going to let you come for free this. Okay. You see, I've been trading the markets for well over half a decade now, and I've seen it all, from personally buying courses out there to even working behind the scenes of some of the most largest trading educational groups out there. And I'm telling you now, when you know what you're about to learn at this one-time event, you will understand that it's not your fault. Okay, it's not your fault. You will see the way you have been told of how to trade, how to get good consistent returns in your retirement account, or even try to generate monthly returns in the markets. You have been taught the hard way, okay? It is the most hardest way to trade, and the facts are that only around 1 to 3% will make it trading the way that you have been taught by these other trading companies. Okay, you see, when you start to trade a system that allows you, to make nice income without having to pick the right direction, the games totally change. Okay, you see, when you start to trade the systems that you're going to learn at this workshop, by default, you are going to be way ahead of the curve than most people out there trading the markets right now. I promise you, you'll be way ahead of the curve by default. Okay, this is going to be unlike anything else you have been to before, and you'll see firsthand the simple but powerful cash flow strategies going around today. Period. You'll see what I mean when you attend the event, and that's why you must attend the event. I look forward to meeting you in Sydney or in Brisbane and help you understand that with all this mess around the world, with the property, stock market, jobs getting cut, everything out there, there's so uncertainty. The only way out of this mess is the skills to learn how to generate some nice, good, consistent monthly cash flow without spending hours in front of the screen. That's exactly what we're going to show you. And yes, you can do it. So scroll down the page and register for this workshop right now. Okay, do that right now, and I look forward to seeing you and supporting you and helping you and moving towards your ultimate goals. This is John Howell here, and I look forward to seeing you at the one-time workshops.
Since being mentored by Johnny Howe, I have found that my trading skills have grown tremendously.
John Howe is truly one of the best traders of the 21st century.
John, thank you so much for all your time in helping me to become the professional trader that I have been striving to be.
And that saw me take home $1,500 Australian after expenses in only 6 trading days.
I now know I could trade on my own and be successful at it, simply because of the way John has taught me.
Over the last 5 to 6 months, we have a 70% success rate. This is amazing considering how volatile the markets are.
But at the end of January, I was in a position where I could finally test out a couple of live trades. Nothing big, not a lot of money, but on the 2 trades I put in within 1 week, I was $1,200 clear. Amazing.
And my last few trades have been fantastic.
I just wanted to say thanks, John. You've got a very, very happy camper here.
I'm absolutely positive that I'm learning the necessary skills to trade the market in any condition, and I'm also earning some money along the way, and have found John's knowledge of the markets and his enthusiasm to be fantastic.
He's always available and approachable to answer any questions we have to help us get ahead.
With your phenomenal wisdom and insight into the market, you have given me the confidence to step up and take real responsibility in my trading, and the results are starting to flood in. It really means the world to me and my family, and I cannot thank you enough.
So I really have benefited so much from being mentored by Johnny and applying the techniques that he uses, and his mentoring is second to none. Thanks, Johnny, you've really helped me.
John is the real deal.